And my question is around women in police services, right? When Kiran Bedi, of course, was the first one. You were
Yes.
amongst the first five, six. Uh, and since then, it's been a sea change, right? Today, if you look at the forces, there's a lot, many women, and they kind of there. And how is the character of policing or police itself changed with the induction of women for the good? तो पुलिस का जो एक स्टीरियोटाइप है, पुलिस का जो एक आर्किटाइप है, उसमें फंडामेंटल चेंज क्या है आपके अकॉर्डिंगली बिकॉज ऑफ वुमेन?
So 72 when the women Kiran Bedi joined the police force. She was only one, then one, 72, 73, 74, 75. There was only one. 76 I joined, there were six of us. And now this year, I think 42 women have passed out. So the numbers are growing increasingly. Lots of engineers, lots of MBAs, lot of lady doctors joining. So it's a good selling of the IPS for all of you. So the difference which I'm now finding is that the police forces are now accepting women. And whereas when I joined in the entire Patna secretariat, is a huge secretariat. I don't know whether you've been to Patna ever. It's a huge building. हम आते थे गाड़ी से तो सारे लोग निकल आते थे बाहर मुझे देखने के लिए. अगर हम पुलिस लाइन में चले गए तो सारे कांस्टेबल्स जो भी ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं 5 मिनट के लिए मुझे देखने के लिए आ जाएंगे. They would have not seen a person in uniform at all in Bihar, and that also a khaki pant and shirt. Abhi, you yourself see, you get out, you see traffic lady constables, you'll see Mahila women on the PCR vans, in the police stations, everywhere. So women are getting inducted, and I think without women, I don't know how we had functioned all these years. So women के आने से ये हुआ है कि थोड़ा ह्यूमनाइजिंग तो हुआ ही है फोर्स का. They have become, the language has changed in the police station. They cannot be so abusive about everything and everybody. Harshness also, I think, has changed. Public have a lot of confidence if a woman is posted in a police station. This we are saying. But one thing has not changed. More women coming to report at the police station is still very minuscule. People are hesitant to come to the police station. So to that extent, we still need to change our image. Like I'm living in Delhi. हमारे neighbors को किसी को कुछ होगा तो they'll come to me. I'm a retired police officer. I've never worked with Delhi police. They'll come to me कि आप थोड़ा बोल दीजिए. And I'll say go to the police station is just across the road. But they are hesitant to go. They feel, that old image is there. But whoever has gone does not have a bad experience anymore because women are there in the police stations. And we as women police officers are advocating not all women police officers, but every police station having women officers. That is the need. When you put exclusively a police station only manned by women, तो उनको सब कोई लुक डाउन करने लगता है. They may be the best trained, they know very well, but people are not ready to go to them. And then this is a political thing कि हमने all women police station खोल दिया. All women police station is not the need of the hour. A police station should be opened where accessibility is easy. Every district में there should be 4 or 5 women police stations so that within 10 kilometers anybody has a problem they can go. But अगर आप headquarter में एक police station women का खोल दीजिए, think of a woman victim traveling 30 kilometers to come and report a police thing. It's just redundant. They have no work. But our experience says that even men feel more confident about going and narrating an incident to a woman in a police station than to a man. That is our research, what is showing. So women are making a difference. And during the COVID, women police have done a human job. They have done a fantastic job.